Hi guys, let's make Goan Sardine curry or Tallyache Amat Tik. This type of fish curry gets its flavor from Sichuan pepper or Tefal instead of the regular onion. And although it does not contain any amount of oil, it is very delicious. Apply some salt to the sardines and let it rest for 10 minutes. You can use big or small variety. For the masala paste, use about 1 cup of fresh coconut, 1 heaping teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a marble sized ball of tamarind. I also add some fresh ginger and garlic during the grinding process, but you may choose not to add it and add it crushed later on. Also add some salt and enough water to make a paste. The paste should be of very fine texture. That is when the Hooman becomes really good. Pour the ground paste into the vessel in which you are going to make the curry. In the previous step, if you preferred not to use the ginger and garlic during the grinding process, you may now add it directly to the pot by slightly crushing it with a mortar and pestle. Also add 2 green chilies, and here for the color I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. You can also use some bedgi mirchi during the grinding process for the color. Do not make the curry very watery. Also add a handful of Sichuan pepper or Tefal. You may need less if your batch is fresh. I am also adding 2 pieces of Kokum. Now cook this curry over medium flame until it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a very slight boil, add the fish. Depending on the size of the fish, the cooking time will vary. It can be anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Once the time is up and the fish is white, the curry is now ready. Switch off the flame. Look, this is how it should be. This curry is typically served with some white steamed rice. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.